Will Karnataka come to a standstill today? A statewide bandh has been called by political parties in the state. The Bengaluru Metro will not run. Airport taxis are off the roads, and therefore if you're headed to the airport, you may be in for a tough time. Autos are also in fact likely to stay off the roads today. Essential services like hospitals, fire brigades and supply of milk though are likely to remain unaffected. Medical shops though are also going to remain closed. Banks and restaurants will also be shut. IT companies and BPOs have declared a holiday for their employees. The state government led by the Congress has appealed for peace, but it seems it would not be unhappy at the message being sent out by the state over the release of more water. The BJP too is supporting the protests, which in fact began in Mandya district first on Monday after the Supreme Court ordered Karnataka to release 15,000 cusecs of Kaveri water to Tamil Nadu over the next 10 days. And tracking that big story for us is my colleague Maya Sharma, who now joins us with the very latest. Maya, this is of course a century-old dispute, but it's one issue that seems to bring the otherwise bitterly divided political parties in Karnataka together almost every time. Today as well, they seem to be united on this issue. But what's the response been like to the bandh calls so far?
So far, the bandh call has had a huge response. Pretty much everything shut down. Where we are now is at Jayanagar. That is a normally busy bus stand, but outside that, all you see is a police van. And this circle, well, you can have a glimpse of what is happening at this circle. There are protesters who have brought traffic to a standstill from different organizations. We have students as well who have come here to be part of this protest. This bandh was called by a mix of pro-Kannada organizations, but it has been supported by the BJP as well, the state government in an awkward position. It cannot be seen really to support a bandh that is causing Bengaluru to lose so much. But certainly they would not be unhappy that this message is actually going out. And an indication of the BJP support, BJP MLA Vijay Kumar of Jayanagar here at this protest. Sir, what kind of message are you sending with this protest?
No, this is totally Karnataka people's mind that Tamil Nadu government is taking water of Bangalore, Karnataka, that is Kaveri. We don't have any required water now because of monsoons are over, and the storage now it is only 51 TMC. We require more than that. We require for drinking water and also for irrigation. We are not against Tamil Nadu. If we have sufficient water, they will take it. Normally, spillover water and from Kabini and from other rivers, they are getting water. Simply, they are greedy. I think because of that, the people of Karnataka, we are suffering it.
Now, all political parties seem to have come together on this issue. The state government really had no choice after the Supreme Court directive. What next? What is the next plan of action by the parties in this issue?
No, I have an allegation that Karnataka government, it didn't really, in the Supreme Court, it didn't express their correct views. The storage capacity or many things. Not only this time. Since the fight is between pre-independence, it started from 1924. Till now, Karnataka government or Karnataka advocates, in each and every step they have failed. Because of that, Tamil Nadu government and Tamil Nadu lawyers are more informative, and they are really ruling us. That way, Karnataka government or the lawyers from the Karnataka people, they should really have sufficient information, and they should put their views in the court. Court has really done its job, but the government and the lawyers, they have failed.
So an oft-repeated complaint there that the state government perhaps did not present the case so well. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಇದು ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿರೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಯಲಲಿತಾ ಅವರು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆದಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ಅನ್ಯಾಯಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಜಯಲಲಿತಾಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಹೋರಾಟ.
So he's saying that the message is being sent to Jayalalitha that whenever she is Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, this kind of trouble happens.
ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಕಾನೂನು ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೂಡ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ನಾವು ಹೋರಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗೋ ತನಕ ನಾವು ಹೋರಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ.
Thank you so much. So he says that they'll keep protesting until they get justice. The protest will continue. Bengaluru at a standstill, and at many junctions, this kind of protest being seen.